10:15 a.m.
I have a question. If this is the way of going to my house and I'm here and my house is here, how to find the number of fastest path of going to my house? Do you know how?
Of course! To answer your question, you need to know what is factorial. N represent a number, and exclamation mark is called as factorial in math. So if there is 5 factorial, you need to know that it is equals to 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1. And there is one more thing that you need to know. It is called combination. This is the combination formula that you are going to use. And you just said this is the way of going to your house, and I'm going to color it to look nice. And you are here, and your house is here. Listen carefully from now on. Your house is located on the top right corner, and you are located on the bottom left corner. So you should only move to right and up in order to go home faster. Let's look at this picture. You moved 8 times in total. 4 times right and 4 times up. Let's see another way. It also moved 8 times in total, 4 times right and 4 times to up. Did you notice any similarities between those examples?
Yes, I found one. The person moved 4 times right and 4 times up every time.
Yes, you are right. You should move 4 times to right and 4 times to up to go home faster. So now you can find the number of fastest paths by using factorial and combination. So since you moved 8 times in total, write 8 factorial over 4 factorial 4 factorial, because you moved 4 times to right and 4 times to up. When I solve 8 factorial over 4 factorial, it equals to 70. So now I can answer to your question that there are 70 fastest paths of going to your house. And now I'm going to give you a question and try to solve it. Now pretend that this is the way of going to school. However, you should not cross the red line, which is the part colored with gray, because it's under construction. And you are here, and your house is here. Now I want to find the number of fastest paths that does not cross the red line. To answer this question, you need to find Catalan number. Whole path is equals to 2nCn. Now find paths that cross the red line. I need to draw an example to explain how to find the paths that cross the red line. As you can see, the blue path crossed the red line. So now I'm going to draw a star and one more line there. And you need to flip this line. Once you flip it, it will look like green line. So the blue and green lines are the pairs. Therefore, the number of paths that across the red line equals to the number of A to B. Now you can find the Catalan number with the 2nCn minus 2nCn minus 1. Now we found the number of fastest paths that does not cross the red line.